Welcome to this lesson on how to freeze an existing report in XLGL. In this video, we will learn how to freeze an existing XLGL report so that we can keep a static copy and share it with people who do not have XLGL. XLGL reports are dynamic and can be updated easily, but sometime you may want to keep a version of the report that will not update with new data. To do this, you can freeze either an entire report or only part of it. Before freezing a report, please make sure you have connected to your Sage 50 company data. Instructions on how to connect are available in a previous video. Looking at this balance sheet, we can see that it is dynamic because of the layout definition and the XLGL functions it contains. By freezing it, we will remove these layout definitions and functions. Before you freeze a workbook, it is highly recommended to save a copy because the freezing operation cannot be undone. Once you are connected and have saved a copy of the file, simply click Freeze on the XLGL ribbon. Click Yes to confirm the operation. As you can see, the layout definitions are gone and the XLGL function have been replaced by their current value. This file is now a static export and cannot be updated. You can safely send it to someone who does not have XLGL. Note that you can also freeze a single worksheet or a range selected on a worksheet. To do so, click the arrow beside the Freeze button and make the appropriate selection. Freezing a selection can be useful to remove the automatic layout properties of a report but keep its dynamic formulas. For example, this income statement shows accounts in the order they were set up in Sage 50, but we would like to see the engineering consulting row before the drafting row. We would also like to group surveying and other services together on a single row. This is a classic situation where we want to keep the amount reported dynamic, but we want to lay out the report manually. First, we'll unhide column B to show the account numbers. Next, we'll select column B and C. Finally, we'll open the Freeze submenu and click Freeze Selection. The layout definitions are gone from the layout panel, but the formulas reporting the amount are still there. We can now proceed to make our modifications. We'll cut the engineering consulting and paste it above drafting, and we'll add the account 4800 with the 4900. Finally, we'll delete the surveying row since it's already included in the next row. This has been a lesson on how to freeze an existing report in XLGL. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.